forked it. So Mamoni has already forked it. So forking means you will create your own branch without affecting the master branch. So if you want to take the latest, just download the zip. That is the easiest way because you have been doing the same thing. I have been sharing this project via zip file in email. So when you download from email, it exactly looks like when you download it from GitHub. So that is one way. Or you use when you integrate Git. I showed you, right? So when you integrate Git, right now it is not integrated, I guess. So all you have to do is, okay, all you have to do is go to Eclipse Marketplace. There are two ways. One is to install new software or go to Eclipse Marketplace and type in the search field Git. Automatically it will show you the Git integration for eGit. So it is called eGit, which means integration of Git with Eclipse. Eclipse Git, eGit. Okay, I just typed it. Let's search, go. Okay, so once you search, what will come is Eclipse Git blade. Just come down and you see this link eGit. That is the one you have to install. It is already installed. Okay, that's great. So it is already installed. So let's see your project. Where is your project? Latest project? This one, right? Yeah. So now you want to integrate it with Git. So you see team here, right? Team. Everybody sees team. And right click on your project, come to team, all right, and share project. Okay. So once you share project, it will show where to store this Git and everything. Use create repository, or you can go with the default one, users, whatever this is, you will store. So once you do this, select this also, then create repository of Eclipse is not required. Okay, so let's see, we can create a new one. So right now it is showing this one, but I can choose just C drive because C users is complicated. C, let's create a folder first. Oh, double click. Okay, so once you just create a new folder for your project to be copied. Oh, it's too many minutes. C drive, and right now your project is somewhere, but I'm going to create new folder. So let's call this Git. Git will be easier for you to remember. Okay, so this is holding Git code, and Git code will be your code. So C Git. Come down here and search for the folder you just now created, Git, right there. All right, and click OK. Okay, now finish. Okay, then finish button will be enabled. That means you're good to go. So your whole current code, wherever it is stored, will be copied over to C Git Selenium Learning Base. But whatever the project name, this is the project name that Common uses. So don't worry, it will copy all the things, all the code except for the jar file. Jar file still will have to be there. Okay, so moving project actually. Okay, so your new folder Git will be having the project now. You can add it to quick access if you want. So I'm gonna add it to quick access so that you can easily pin current folder to quick access. So you can see Git right here without having to worry about where it is. And it will add .git folder. So .git folder will have all the configuration settings for the Git integration. So you don't need to worry about this. This is internal to Git. So this is your project. And right now, okay, so now you can see all the question mark. That means it is ready to be shared to the GitHub, but nothing is in sync with all the Git. Okay, So all these question marks, if I expand, you see the little question marks, right? That means everything is ready to be shared, but not yet shared. So let's say you want to share. You can share one file by one file after another. But let's see. Now, first thing you have to do is when you see the question marks, you have to add them to the index. Only the files you want to add them to the Git. When you see plus sign will be added to the Git. So you have a choice. You can click on right click on folder, right click on specific file, or right click on the whole project. So without wasting any time, I'll right click on the whole project. So all the files will be added with plus sign now. See, question mark is gone and plus sign. So if you expand, including the folders, packages, all these resources, including the data pool and any other files that are part of the project will be added. Right now, not added. It is ready to be added to the GitHub. Now, right click on go to team. Every time, same thing. You can add a shortcut over here. That is different story, but this is a same navigation. Okay. Why do you want to make the presenter?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So then commit. All right. So every time you update something, you have to commit. Commit to what? Commit to your own Git or the branch Git, whatever you want to. So okay. So this is the thing. First, when you clone from here, right? When you clone, you copy this and git clone automatically pulls this code to your local, right?
Yeah.
Then it will create a branch. So whenever you want to push your own code, like your homework updates or whatever, it will be pushed to your own branch. And I'll be able to see your code and you will be able to see your code. So that is the thing. So right now I am not doing that. What I'm doing is I'm directly pushing because it's already end of, project, right? It's almost over. So you can play with your own code in your own master branch. That is easiest. So now all these files, see, these are all staged changes. That means these are ready to be committed. Okay. So nothing is unstaged. Unstaged means nothing is not going. Everything is going. Staged. 42 files. 42 Java files. Class files will not be going. The bin folder will not be pushed. Okay. Only Java files because they already added. We added to the git ignore. That means the bin.class files will be ignored. All the source folder you see, page objects, resources, data, page flows, and test cases, everything will be ready to go. Okay. Now you are the other mamanur.home. You already registered this one. Now you enter. This is the one.
I think this one is like by default.
Oh, okay. Then you tell me your email address.
Okay.
What is the email address you have registered your this thing with? What is the email address? You can go to your profile. God, where is your email address? No, without email address, how can you create a account? Help settings. Settings will not have. Only your profile.
I think there.
That's where I am heading to go ahead. Profile. Your email address should be here. Yeah, that's your email address, right? So just copy this. This is just to show the author name. That's all. It doesn't matter. Okay, Mamanur home. It's already added. Doesn't matter. This doesn't matter actually. Okay, you can. Okay, what is important is you have to put the commit message. Like for example, you have done homework for the test case number 2, right? With the one single member traveling one way ticket. That is your. We'll run that right now. So right now I'm just pushing with the comment like automation framework project. Full project actually. If you are using like specific, okay, what is a full? I am going to enter page objects and page flows, right? Setup, test cases, and what else? Infrastructure, all these things are going as part of this commit. But in the beginning, whatever you're going to push, yeah, so that's okay, multi-line. Okay, then commit and push. It just commit will not cut it. So you have to commit and push. If you just commit, next time you have to push it separately. Okay, so commit and push will commit means you are ready to commit this code to the Git. Push means you are pushing to the upstream or master branch. Okay, so commit and push. Okay, so now it will ask you what is the what way do you want to commit it. Okay, so let's go to your repositories. The repository you cloned is my repository, right? You can also do that, but let's create your, because we are at the end anyway. So I'm going to create a new repository here. So this way you can keep on adding. So this is another way. So let's call it repository. What do you want to call this repository name? Is automation framework is automation frame. Let's not create use the framework, because already the name is used by me. Automation Selenium. Okay, that you'll remember, automation Selenium, and this automation project using Selenium WebDriver, and you can make it public or private. Public is okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so then create repository. You don't have to initialize this repository with readme. Okay, so once you create, it will give you .git. So this is the .git. This is your repository. Okay, now I go here and mention it here. Okay, now it will ask you to enter user ID password. So enter the user ID password that you used to create the Git account. What is the user ID password of? No, what is the username? Let's see. Mamun QA is a username, right? So let's enter Mamun QA. Case sensitivity doesn't matter. Okay, password, you enter the password. Then once you enter the password, then you can store it in secure store so that you don't have to enter every time. If you check this box, it will not bug you. So that's it. So this is the URI. Okay. The Git total Git project universal resource indicator or whatever. Repository path is this, and you enter that, and then this will be your own master branch. You don't have to worry about the sub branches. So master branch means you are the owner of it. So this is good. Next. Okay. Mamun QA, right? Is it right? Why did it? Mamun QA. Okay, enter the password again. Why did it ask again? Maybe you did not enter the password right. Store it in. Spelling was wrong. Oh, okay, okay. That's why it asked. Okay. Anyway, this won't ask. If it is correct, it won't ask again. Okay, hopefully, that went correct. So this is your repository. So store it in your anywhere. So where do you want to store it? Do you have any notepad? Double-click is opening 2 files. That's why you see it is opening 2 files. So I'm just storing this repository. Just keep it, or you can bookmark it. You will know exactly once you log into it. You can see your own repository. So this is your Git repository. So extra. Okay. So now finish. That's it. It is done successfully. Why it is asking again? Can you enter? Password is wrong. Can you change the? You can change the password. Okay, so let's quickly do this. Let's sign out and see. Sign in works. Even sign out is taking time. Password is wrong. Okay, so now try to sign in. Or if you already signed in, saved your signed in credentials, you can see the password. I mean star at least. Okay, so you know how many characters? Just figure out what is up. You should remember your own password, right?
Yeah, well, I think we'll try.
That's what I'm saying. It is wrong. That's why it is kept on asking. Mamon QA. Mamon QA case sensitivity, it doesn't matter. So password matters. Enter correctly. Because unless until you enter correct password, it won't push it very secure store. Okay. So now try to enter here.
Just forgot password. I'll see it here.
You can actually see the password. Do you want to see the password here?
Yeah, you can see it.
Manage password. I mean, you have if you are not stored other passwords. Okay, so GitHub, show password. Okay, enter your username for Google Chrome.
For the Google Chrome, right?
It is asking anyway the password, some password. No, you enter. You should remember at least one password. Right? Enter your system password, system. Whatever you enter for logging into your Windows.
Even I forget everything.
Oh, that is also wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's no, and reset the password. Then
Reset the password. That's the only option. Okay, forgot password.
Yeah.
Mamun K. Remember the user, at least email address. Okay, which one is the email? Ripon, right? This one.
Whatever, yeah.
I mean, not whatever.
No, both are same.
Okay.
Both are same.
Okay, so I reset the can't find the email. Email is wrong. Okay, so let's see one thing. Let's see. I just saw that right somewhere. Okay, so maybe the other one is right. This one, right? Yahoo.com.
Yeah.
It looked like gmail.com. Ripon87. This is your email, right? This is the email.
There is two email. Go back there. Yeah, there is two email.
This email, did you give this email?
Which one I created?
Ripon 4. This is a Gmail. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, this must be it. Oh, long time back, not recently. Oh my god.
That's why I forget. I will switch
Okay, that makes sense. Otherwise, okay, so return to sign in. Now it must have sent. Okay, so you got the password here. We got the password. Okay, so that's okay. No worries. Right? It is reset. Now you have to enter the new password. Okay, so enter the new password and confirm it. Put the easiest one. Right here. Right here. Just enter new password. It will be reset. Enter the email address you will. Okay, I already have it.
Only to tell us the password.
Oh, again it is. Why?
No, go back. I will confirm.
No, it won't keep the old one. Oh my god. It actually got lost. Okay, let's try it again. Again, it will send one more email, I think. Yeah. Okay, two more. Oh, your password was reset. You please reset. Okay, actually your password was reset. Okay, do you remember now? Enter. Okay, now enter this last password. This one. Enter. Oh, I did not save it, man. Push it can't connect to the repository. Not authorized. That's okay. Okay, wait. Details. Okay, so at least log in and see. Okay, now if you log in, oh, this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see if your repository. Obviously, it won't be populated. These are your repositories.
Yeah.
Automation Selenium. You can open it from here or here. Obviously, this is empty. See, it is empty. It's not pushed, right? So let's see. The author is causing this. There are no stage changes. It looks like everything is right, but it is committed. So all we have to do is just push now. Commit is always successful. Push is not successful unless and until you enter the right password. So push to upstream.
Okay.
Okay. Or push to branch master. Okay. So now that's the repository preview. And again, user ID password. You have to enter correctly this time. Is the user ID correct or okay? Let's check. Okay, looks like it. Okay. Right. Okay, looks like it is successful. There you go. So it came. So this is your project now. So it contains everything. Source. Right. So now it is successful. So pushed and committed. So initially it was pushed, commit was just now done with the right password. Okay. So this is the process. Okay. Now you will be if you add anything right now I'm going to show you the example for the second test case that we have created yesterday, right? So let's run it, and if we need to modify anything, we'll modify and push it to your own master branch. So that way you have.
I put away the data in Excel, I think.
Oh really? You didn't take the whole update yet?
Excel, but I didn't get from you.
Okay. Oh, Excel was part of the Git. Everything you will get. Okay, so do you have any software to open Excel?
Yeah, I have Excel.
Excel. Okay, you have. Okay.
So when I click in here, what is not
Okay, so this is your project, and let's go to resource. Directly we are opening. Okay, so you already have it. Fine. It won't show here because it is not associated with Excel, Microsoft Excel.
Oh, okay.
So you have to go to your project location and open.
Oh, that's a yeah. That's a, it says OLA editor something.
Right. Yeah. You can actually associate it here. Open with, and then system editor. If your system editor is Excel, it will open.
Oh, okay.
So right now it is in place editor. It will try to open here and it won't open. So system editor, it already opened. So next time you try, it will open without trying to. Okay, it is already there. Second test case. Remember, I already sent it yesterday. Yeah, everything is there. Or not. Oh, this is not the new one, right?
No,
where is the number of passengers?
No, that's why I said
Oh, you don't have. So let's replace then. You have to take it from the my Git. So go to your repositories. So whatever is there, now you have two projects. One is mine, one is I'll be pushing, one is you will be pushing. So if you have any discrepancy, just go there and take my resource. So this is always up to date, right? So just right click on it and save link as. Okay, so now it is going to share. Let's open it or save it in your own Git. Okay, so that is data pool. This is data pool. So I'm going to just save it, replace it. Yes, replace it. Okay, so now this should be updated one. Yes, that
Yeah.
is 317 right now.
Sorry.
Yeah, so it should be updated. What happened in file format extension? Do not match file corrupted. OPTS. Why it is saying.
Public or private? How can I add it?
Share project. So you already installed the Git, right?
Yeah, no.
So if you install the Git, you will see. Okay, there you go. So then repository, you can select this one. You want to use this, or create a new one. That's it, better. So C in C drive, you create a Git folder, and you just create a Git folder and select that one, and then do the same procedure. Oh, what happened to this? Okay, I think it is not matching with yours. We should have just copied that from yours. Okay, let's take yours only. Something. Why is this saying this is not matching? This is a data pool.
Choose a file format. So
File format is XLS. Something is So where is your this one, right? Let's take yours only and add those missing elements. I don't know why you're not on this updating your own. So okay, I'm on replacing again.
Go back to Amazon.
Will it open? Again, it's same thing. Something is wrong with the Excel. It looks corrupted. Can you take the old, the one from the email that is shared in the last project? This one, right? Now you can just download that. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can download it. No, what it is saying, this is corrupted. It doesn't match with the version. Versioning should be. Okay, so there are a lot of. Right. Then finish. Then yeah, finish. So this is in this one, right? See, you just select it. No, not working directory. See Intel Git or see Intel Git. Okay, that is okay. Then payment. See Intel Git. Okay, this is the current location. It is to this location. Send is okay. So it will go. Okay, so now it is integrated, not yet integrated. So, payment. So now team and yeah, bingo. So now you try to add two index. So all question mark email, the URL. The URL is shared in the email. So this you can put it to your own. You don't have to, because you can fix the code in your own entity. Commit. There are some errors here too. It's open, right?
Yeah, it is open.
Okay. So now, yeah, same thing. Enter this commit message. You enter automation frame.